How do equipment repairs affect the finances of pop-up drink stands? Equipment repairs can quietly eat away at a pop-up drink stand's profit margin because a single broken blender or generator can shut down sales for an entire day while still costing money to fix. Most people think of repairs as just the price tag on the receipt, but the real cost is much bigger than that. When a machine breaks, you lose the sales you would have made that day, and you might lose returning customers who walked up to a closed stand. Something not many owners think about is that heat and dust from outdoor events wear down small motors way faster than normal, so a blender that would last 5 years indoors might only last 1 season at a busy festival circuit. Another hidden cost is rush repair fees, since most small towns only have 1 or 2 appliance repair shops, and they charge extra for same-day service. Smart owners set aside around 10% of weekly revenue into a repair fund so a sudden breakdown does not turn into a financial emergency. Buying a cheap backup blender or cooler, even a used one, can save you from losing an entire event's income while your main equipment is being fixed. One big thing to watch for is that warranties on commercial equipment often become void if you use it outside, so always check the fine print before setting up at outdoor markets. A good tip is to buy equipment labeled for commercial outdoor use, even if it costs a little more upfront. Another important point is that many owners forget to track how often each machine breaks down, which means they keep repairing something that would actually be cheaper to replace. Keeping a simple repair log for each piece of equipment can show you patterns and help you decide when it is time to upgrade, instead of repair. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.